day, everyone. My name is Sir Kevin B. Balboa. My discuss is find the great circle distance, initial course, final course, from lot 1, 15 degrees 32 minutes north, longitude 1, 130 degrees 25 minutes east to lot 2, 32 degrees 15 minutes north, and longitude 2, 125 degrees 10 minutes west. And the given is latitude 1, 15 degrees 32 minutes west, latitude 2 is 32 degrees 15 minutes north, and longitude 1 is 130 degrees 25 east, and longitude 2 is 125 degrees 10 minutes west. Solve for DLO. DLO is the 130 degrees 25 minutes west, 130 degrees 25 minutes east, and DLO2 is 125 degree 10 minutes west, and the will be add because the sign is different. The answer is 255 degrees 35 minutes west, and minus to 360 degrees, and the answer is 100 for 25 minutes east, because is the subtraction of 360 inverse kaya naging is. Solve for GCD. Cos CGD formula is cosine L1 times cosine L2 times cosine DLO plus sine L1 times L2 and cosine, and the given is cosine 15 degrees 32 minutes north times cosine 32 degrees 15 minutes north times cosine 104 degrees 25 minutes east plus cosine 15 degree 32 minutes north times sin 32 15 minutes north. The answer of cosine 15 degree 32 minutes north times cosine 32 degrees 15 minutes north times cosine 1/4 25 minutes is negative 2028, and for the answer sin 15 degree 32 minutes north times sin 32 degrees 15 minute north is the answer is 0.1429. And pag nakuha na yung answer nito dito is i-shift or inverse cosine to get answer, and the answer is GCD is 86 degrees 33 minutes, and the GCD is 5,193.9 nautical miles. For the initial course is the formula is cosine L2 times sin DLO divided sin GCD degrees, and the cosine 32 degrees 15 minutes times sin 104 degrees 25 minutes, and the answer is 0.8909. For the sin 86 degree 33 minutes is 0.99818, and will be divided, and the answer is 0.82058, and shape sign or inverse sign, and the answer is 55.14 degrees. Why north and east? Because the given is northeast, latitude 2, and DLO is east. And the true initial course is 055.414 true course. Yung, yung 55.14 dito siya because the steady, wala siyang steady siya. And sin FC or final course. Sin FC final course is the formula is cosine L1 times sin DLO divided by sin GCD, and given is cosine 15 degrees 32 minutes times sin 104 degree 25 minutes, and will divide sin 86 33 minutes. The answer for this is 0.9313. For the sin 86 degrees and 33 minutes is 0.99818, and the answer is 0.99494. And shift sine or inverse sine, the answer is 84 degrees 14 minutes. Southeast because L1 is south, and the east is and the east is GCD. Then minus 180 because the sign is south and east. Southeast is negative 180, kaya naging 180, and the answer is 95.76 degrees true course. And example number 2. Example number, find the great circle and distance initial course. Final courses from lot 1, 20 degrees and 27 minutes south. Longitude 1 is 130 degrees 45 minutes west to latitude 2, 25 degrees 10 minutes south. Longitude 2, 120 minutes east. And the given is 20 degrees 27 minutes south, and the latitude 2 is 25 degrees 10 minutes south, and the longitude 1 is 130 degrees 45 minutes west, and longitude 2 is 120 degrees 15 minutes east. For the DLO, the longitude 1 is 130 degree 45 minutes west, and longitude 2 is 120 degrees 15 minutes east, and will be odd because the sign is different, and the answer is 250 degrees 65 minutes, and 3 and minus 360 because this is quadrant. The sign is west and east west or west east, and kaya naging 360 100, and the answer is 108.55 minutes west because the inverse in negative 360. For the GCD formula is cosine latitude 1 times cosine latitude 2 times cosine DLO plus sin latitude 1 times sin latitude 2. And the given is 20 degrees, cosine 20 degrees 27 minutes times cosine 25 degrees 10 minutes times cosine 108 for GCD is 108 degree 55 plus sin 20 degrees 27 minutes times sin 25 degrees 10 minutes. The answer for the cosine, the 3 of column is negative 0.27492, and for the sine 20 degrees 27 times sin, in the second column is 25. The second column is sin 20 degrees 27 minutes times sin 25 degrees 10 minutes, and the answer is 0.148757, and will be the add, and the answer is 0.42349, and press the calculator shift cosine, and the answer is 0.42, shift cosine 0.42349, and the answer is 64 degree 56, and times 60 for the 1 degree, and the answer is 3,896.6 nautical miles for the GCD. Solve for initial course. Initial course formula is cosine latitude 2 times sin DLO divided by sin GCD, and the given is cosine 25 degrees 10 minutes times sin 108 degree 55 minutes divided by sin 64 degrees 56 minutes. For the answer, the first is 0.85619, and the second, and the divide the sin 64 degrees 56 and 0.958, and divided, the answer is 0.94522, and press the shift sign 0.94522, and the answer is 70.94 degrees. Why southwest? Because the sign is latitude is south and DLO west. Plus 180 because southwest, and the 180, kaya 180, and the answer is 250.09. True course will be add. For the final course is the formula of the final course is cosine latitude 1 times sin del O divided by sin GCD, and the given is cosine 20 degree 27 minutes times sin 108.55 minutes divided by sin 64.56. For the answer, this is 0.88637. For the answer, this is 0.90581, and the answer is 0.97853. And shift calculator, shift, press the shift and sin 0.97853, and the answer is 78.10 degrees. Northwest because latitude 1 is north and west is northwest, and northwest because negative 360, and the answer is 281.81 degrees. True course. And that's all. Thank you.